up, babes? Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie and today is my first video and I'm going to be showing you all how to do a smoky eye look using the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. It is an easy, pretty much kind of step-by-step palette. It is my favorite go-to palette, and if you would like to learn how to do it, and just keep watching and let's get on with the video. Okay, so that was the finished smoky eye basic look. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you did. Give it a like and comment down below what other videos you would like to see and other things like that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to turn on my bell notifications when I upload. And you can follow my social medias down below. Thank you all for watching. Bye!